Hi, Master Traders. Very good day to you all. And in fact, Eid Mubarak to all my friends. I would like to enlighten you all with my unique techniques. There'll be a series of techniques taught to all my subscribers and coming out of your trading worries and spend your life with your family. So that is my tagline. So this is my second video. I thought how best I can give it to you. So I came up with this reversal strategy. So everyone are asking me how the reversal happens in this in a particular stock, all this stuff. So this will be very useful, and please follow and do subscribe the channel, and please share it with your friends so that they don't get into a trouble of getting into losses. So this video will help them in improving their trades and also make a profitable trade every time that they enter. So let's get into the um, topic right away. I'm sharing my screen right now. This is my sharing my screen. Okay, and let me open the chart. So this is this. See, I don't have anything up and running in my trading view, and this is how I work. I don't have any kind of indicators with me, and I simply I'll keep on marking the levels, and then I just keep on do the tradings. So this is what is it. Before getting into the thing, I need to talk to you on the reversal strategy. So what is reversal strategy? A reversal strategy is where you think the market may reverse. It's not the point of reversal, but you can say the market or the script can reverse on a particular price. So how this happens? There may be a series of low. There should be series of continuous low or series of continuous high, and then there will be a reversal. So this concept that you need to get into your mind. So any reversal, if anyone is talking about reversal, there should be a time frame where the stock is in trending phase. It should be in trending phase. Okay, trending phase. Maybe series of higher high or higher lower highs, or LL lower lows, or high low. All this stuff you need to see on a trending phase, and then you need to mark the way which I'm talking to you, so that you mark it on your in the chart and see how it works out. So this is how the strategy works, and there is no I5 funda to it. All you need to do is series of green candles, and then followed by a red candle. So how I'm selecting this, if I see series of green candle and then followed by a red candle, how can I say it is a sell strategy? I'll show you how this works out. There'll be a series of red candles, red candles, and then followed by a green candle. Yeah, I say buy strategy. Sir, you're telling all this stuff. I can see lots of green candles and lots of red candles simultaneously. Where should I take the trade? I will not be in a position to take the trade, because if it's keep on giving me red and green candle, red candle, green candle, then how long I can do the marking, sir? It's totally irrelevant, right? So you need to watch out for a series of candles. That is what I'm saying. You need to watch series of red candles. It should not be, it can be one, it's not one and then green and then red and then green. Is not considered to be a series. There should be series, mean there should be one, two, three red candle and then followed by a green candle. So let me get into the chart and I'll tell you how this works out. First, let us follow a series of green candles and then a red candle. Okay, so series of red candle on a, let's say this is the Tata Steel. Okay, this is Tata Steel series of red candles. So series of green candles. See, there is a series of green candles, 1, 2, 3 series of green candles, and then red candle followed. So you see, this is how the thing should be. This is like following a low and then series of green candle. What I'll do is I'll mark the level of the reversal. Okay, let me mark it. This level, if it crosses above, it will be a perfect support level. Okay, so let me mark it like this. Okay, the next, there is a series of green candle here. 1, 2, 3 series of green candle, but there is a red candle. But this red candle is above the green candle. So that is this in this case we are not going to consider. And next candle is a green candle. Sir, you said series of green candles, sir. Yeah, this is series of green candles, and then there is a red candle, and then there is a green candle. The probability of green candle is more here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is to 1. So it is still considered to be a green positive trend. It is like going upward. So you can also take this into consideration. And the next candle is a green candle, red candle. So this is higher than the lower one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark it on the higher side. So let me mark this as a resistance area. Let me mark this as a resistance area. I'm marking this as a resistance area. Okay. So my two things have done. Okay. And after that, let me see, is there anything coming up? Okay. This is going up and the next is a higher candle. So I'm not going to mark it. So next is this is lower and then it came up and then here is another level. So this is going higher, right? So I'm just going to mark this again on the higher time frame. Let me do it for higher time frame. Let me do it for higher time frame. This is what I'm going to mark it. And see how beautifully the levels working. So we are not doing anything. We're just marking the levels. Okay. And then see, it is going up, up, up. So series of green candles and then followed by a red candle. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mark the levels. Okay, so I'm marking the levels here. Okay, I'm not going to trade anything, just I'm going to mark it so that whenever the trading things comes into picture, I will straight away, whenever the prices come to our support area or the resistance area, we can take an action on that. So let me mark it for, this is also series of green. Okay, let me mark that too. Okay, this is, I'm marking this one also. Okay, this is also a market. Let's see this, and this I cannot take because this is a higher candle. If below is a lower candle, this is a higher candle, so I'm not going to take it. So here series of high, and then there is a red candle. So I'm just going to mark this also. So let me mark it like this. Okay, see this. You don't need to worry. Whenever there is a breakout happen, it will happen like bigger like this. Okay, see this. It is going up and hit, and then it came up again, it went up like this. Here if you see, it is going up. There is also up, right? But I'm not going to mark this because we already marked the level here, so I'm not going to mark this level, but we can look out for other levels at the higher frame. So it is going up, this is up, this is up, this is also up. I'm not going to mark anywhere else because this candle is higher than this candle, this candle, this candle, and this candle is the highest. And then you find a newer low here. So I'm going to mark it like this. This is what the higher price of Tata Steel. That's it. You're done. You're done. And then you can, if you see the price is coming here, you can go for short. And then this is what the stop loss is. You can have a stop loss up to here, and then you can keep on trading it. So see how beautifully the thing is. And once you see this is from a lower, and then it's going up higher. But this is a green candle, so you should not mark it. Okay. So here is another one, and then it came down, 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 and then there is a lower formed, and then there is a lower eye formed. This is not the eye, right? So this is also an eye. You can say this is like this. It comes. Let me write it like this. So here it started here, and then it went up. It came down. It went up, and then it came down, and then it going up like this. It is like an head and shoulder pattern, right? So you need to mark like anything. Marking is the skill. So here it went up, and then you need to mark. This is the second resistance area we are getting it. So I'm marking the second resistance area. So you are getting, if you're shorted somewhere else, you can modify your stop here. Okay. So after that, it came down, and then it took a series of reds, and then there is a green, right? And then you find another resistance created. So let me mark that too. Okay. So we are currently we are doing it only for the higher, and then we'll be doing for the lower. Okay. So there is a series of low, but this is not considered to be a reversal. So reversal should be on the, it should not be below this candle. So let's see. This is and then see it going up and then coming down. This is also not okay. So this is not, I'm not going to consider this. Okay, here 1 2 series, right? And then it went up, and then there is a low, but I'm not going to consider, right? That's all. So here it went down series 1 2 3, and then a green candle. So I'm going to mark this level. Okay. That's it. That's it, guys. This is very simple strategy. So yeah, it is going up. It is going up, and then okay, then it is taking up the levels here. So let me mark this also. It's very easy in doing this. And see, you may hit some losses, but see, this is a candle, you could have taken a shot, but this would have hit. Again, this is going and hitting the price, but once the price thing is completely below this level, it is taken out. So this is for the higher side. Let me go for the lower side. Okay, let me mark it for the lower side, and then let's play. So this is what I said: series of low forming, right? So this is for now, whatever currently we thought it is for high, and then reversal. Now what we are going to do is low, and then you're going to say reversal. That means that we are going to find out support. Here what you are going to find is resistance. Okay, so this is what we are finding out. So let me do how this support works out here. So this is again, I'm taking this as an example. So what I'm going to do is, this is a series of low, and then there is a green candle formed. And then what I'll do is, I'll mark this as a support area. Okay. Now I marked here as a support area, right? And then there is another support area created as a low. See, there is a series of low came, and then there is a reversal here. Okay, I have to mark this also. Let me mark this also on the top of this. I'm marking it. See, there is no series of low, so leave that. There is a series of low 1 2 3 4 5, but there is no 5 is to 2, right? So already we marked, so no need to worry about that. And then see, we marked it here. We marked here. There is another support good support area formed here, right? See here, see this series of low, and then there is a green candle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark this also. Okay, and then there is a series of low, but here there is no green candle, so we need to wait. So there is another one formed here. Want to see whether it is higher, it's or exact. Yeah, it is not, it's point something difference is there. So what I'll do is I'll mark that also, but marking that we already have something here, so we'll mark this also, no worries, we'll mark this also. And then there is a series of low, and then no, this is not the support, series of low, and then there's a support here. Done, guys. If you keep on marking like this, you will get the support area and the resistance area, and then you can take the trade here, and then you can have a stop loss here. So this will give you a reversal kind of a trend, or you can also let me do it for 1 day, and then you will see how this works out for 1 day. Okay, let's go for 1 day. I haven't worked on it. Let me see how this is coming for 1 day. Okay, let's, if you are a positional trader, let's see, it was coming down, right? Drastically it was coming down here. Okay, it is coming down here, it was coming down like this, and then okay, let's go from the bottom. Okay, let's go from the bottom. There was a series of low here, nothing, I'm not going to mark anything because this is also a series of low, but here we got a green candle. So you see 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, I think 7 there are more, and then there is a green is less, so I can take this as a support area. Let me mark this as a support area. Let me mark it like this from here, and then I'm marking it like this. I'm going to take till the green color. Okay, you need to take to the green wick, and then this is the permanent support area. Okay, and then let's see, there was a series of low, and then no, and then see it came, then series of low. We already marked, so no need to worry, that we are just going to change it. Okay, so let's just going to change our have a support area greater. Yeah, we'll mark it like this, and then we'll keep quiet. Then series of low. Okay, series of low, and then it just, and then this is another low. Let's say this is not a low, but I will take this also as a low, because 1 2 3 4 5 6 candles from here it formed till here. So what I'll do is I'll take it. There's also a support area. I have to go till the green because till there it went down. So I need to go there, and then have to mark it like this. Okay, and then wait for the lows, and then there is a higher low formed, and then there's a green candle here. So we need to mark this as a support area. I'm marking it like this, support area. And then let's see, there is a series one, there's no series. Okay, okay, and then it went up, and then see there is a series of green candle, there is a series of green candle, and then there was a green candle here, there was a green candle here, and then this is the important candle. So this is a next candle, and then it got broke, and then it was not doing it. So we will be marking whenever the day happened like this. What we'll do is we'll be marking, because this is making higher assumptions, right? So what we would have done it, we would have marked like this. Okay, and then we would have kept quiet. So after that, see, nothing had changed. So there was a fall, Then we are waiting for the pickup. So this is a fall, and then here is the pickup. So let me mark that too. Okay. Then this is a fall, and there is a pickup here, marking that. Okay. There is a series of fall. No, that's it. If you had taken the trade here, it would have gone up and up and up. Let's see whether any resistance came here. One resistance came. Let me mark that as a resistance here. I'm marking it, so it broke there, and then it went up, up, up. Okay, there is a series of flow here. So, and then lower form, what I'll do is I'll mark it like this. There's another resistance area created, but it broke. So let's move further, 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 and here. We found it here. This is the another support area found. Okay, I'm marking like this. Then waited, and another support area formed. This is one. There's no series, right? Um, but this is a bigger currency from 650 to this is 700. This is almost 80 points. So you can take this in consideration at the weightage aspect. See, there is a only this much sell will happen, but this is the entire period where bullish where into consideration. So what I'll do is I'll mark this also. This is also an important level to be marked. So I'm marking it. Okay. We are done, guys. So see how nicely after breaking this, it gives good moves, but there were bad moves too. But if you are a positional trader, you would have been holding it like this. This is another area. It gave me a resistance. Okay. Again, it went up. This is not the resistance area. Okay. A series of high, and then there is a low. So there is another resistance area. Okay. And then see, this is series of high, but nothing is there. So I'm not going to take it. I'm not going to take anything here. So this is what you can do as a trader, as a long-term trader. So you can mark those levels and you can trade handsomely. You can get more money. If you're a bank nifty trader, it's same, pretty same. No need to worry about anything, how the market goes and anything. If you're an intraday trader, go for 5 minutes candle. Just follow the technique which I told you. So this is the series of low. Okay. So yesterday it closed right. So there is a series of low, but this is the support area. It is formed. I'm just marking this level. This is support area is formed. Again, there is another support area like this. You're going to mark it. You're going to mark it like this. And then if I want to see the IR thing. So this is the IR. Okay. And then there's another thing. See, it works beautifully, guys. Please follow this technique, and then you keep on drawing whatever I thought. You'll get good money here. See this. This is where the resistance came. See this. Okay. Okay. I think I've given you a good hint here. So please work on this technique. And then if you have any doubts, do ping me. Do put your comments in the comment section. I'm there to help you. I'm there to teach you how the things works out. But before leaving this video, please subscribe to the button if you're not subscribed, and then I'll be teaching more and more unique techniques. So it'll be very easy in learning share market stuff. And please follow my Telegram channels too. And as of now, I'm signing off. Have a great day, guys. Eid Mubarak once again.